God has left traces of His love from the tiniest subatomic particles to the immense galaxies. He is telling us, "See how much I love you." Why does God want us to realize that He is next to us? Because He wants us to remember Him and to speak to Him. This is why Jesus taught His disciples that they ought always to pray. But in a busy world, how are we to remember this? Fr José Maria recommended the use of what he called in Spanish despertadores, literally alarm clocks. Spiritual alarm clocks are reminders that awaken our soul and make us aware of God's presence. We can use religious objects such as a crucifix or an image of Our Lady as reminders. At Mass, we pray always and everywhere to give you thanks. We can also say, "Sorry, help me," and "I love you," and so on. The important thing is to stay close to Him always.